I'm Shepard Smith at the Fox News Deck. The specialist will begin in just a moment, but first, we've just gotten a brand new update, 5 p.m. Eastern Time, from the National Hurricane Center on Hurricane Irma. The brand new 5 o'clock update is this. The storm is still moving to the west-northwest at about 16 miles an hour. Maximum sustained wind still 185 miles per hour.
Hello everybody, and welcome to the vlog. Today is Wednesday, September 6th, and things are crazy here in South Florida. Figured I'd grab my camera out and document a little bit about what's going on here. As most of you are probably aware, we have Hurricane Irma heading our way. Currently a Category 5 hurricane. So I'm headed over. I'm going to document a few things and share with you on the vlog what people are doing.
Longest lasting Category 5 hurricane ever on record, according to our partners at CBS4 in Miami. Still coming towards us by Sunday. Too soon, though, to tell where that center will hit. But of course, we're following it every.
Hey, all this gas is going crazy.
Yeah, I know. I just passed the speedway I told you about a minute ago. Now it's lined up halfway down to my house.
You're kidding me.
No.
What do you think, man? What do you think? What's our option?
Well, you need gas, so I think you need to come over here and get gas out of my tank. I've got all these jerry cans. That'll get me a good ways.
You're saying come over and siphon the gas out?
Yes. Come over here. We'll get the gas out of the Kia. We'll top your tank off, and what's left I'll put in this car, and we're good to go.
Yeah. All right. So I head your way. It's the only option. Oh boy. Here we go. What do you think? We decided to, in order to fill my gas tank up, that we were going to actually take gas from the Kia and transfer it to the terrain. I actually only need about 9 gallons, I think. And oh, great. There you go, man. Let there be light. Let there be light. Whoa. Wait a minute. Is this the right diameter tube?
I don't know, we'll find out.
I hope it is. Yeah, should be good. Yeah.
Yeah, the fumes.
Remember, this was your idea.
We take this, we blow over the top of the pipe, which creates a vacuum.
No, but then you're gonna put air into your gas tank.
No. See what I'm saying?
Yeah, to put air.
Still haven't got it. I don't know. We'll see. Nope. I don't know what we're gonna do. You alright back there?
I'm good.
You good?
We're good.
This is going to be a quick video on how you actually drain the fuel. You can't siphon out of new cars, but how you actually drain the fuel out of a newer car. If you don't know, all modern cars have either check valves or little flappers down by the tank. just in case the car rolls over so the gas can't go out, but that also prevents you from sticking a siphon hose down there. So siphoning gas is a thing of the past. But a couple things you're gonna need is...
I wish we would have known about this a little bit earlier in the evening. Jason, didn't work. I'm gonna go sit in line and wait for gas, I guess. If I can find gas. But one thing's for sure, we're not siphoning gas today. And point where we are, Jason?
There.
Yeah.
2 p.m. Sunday.
We are right there. So it doesn't look good for us regardless.
It looks like the eye would be over my engine.
Yeah. I think I'm okay if I want to go to Jacksonville. I don't know. Still not sure what I'm going to do yet. Alright, we'll move the cars. What we decided to do is Jason's going to ride around on the scooter and do some recon, find out where there's a gas station but where there's actually gas and not a long line. I got to move the cars so he can get through. Alright. Jason drove around a bit. He found a place he thought had gas. The Shell station right over here, right around the block from his house. I drove up there. They only have high octane fuel and that would not work in this vehicle. So no gas. However, Jason had 5 gallons at the house. We have now filled the truck up and I've got about a range of 270 miles now. So I could get on the road and head north a little bit and then probably find gas a little bit north, but this 270 miles will not get me all the way to Jacksonville. So, what we gonna do?